Hi everyone, I'm Maria, Senior Product Manager at Meilisearch. Welcome to day 2 of our first ever launch week. Today, I'm excited to introduce another major update that we made to Meilisearch, our multiple embedder options. These options give you more flexibility and control on how you integrate AI-powered search to your applications. That said, let's dive in. No matter your workflow, Meilisearch supports multiple embedding options. You can choose between different third-party embedders or providing your own embeddings right from the Meilisearch UI. This allows you to control all the associated costs, integrating with third-party providers like OpenAI to manage spending based on your needs. If you're unsure about which embedder to choose, you can check out our embedder selection guide for a detailed breakdown. To make it even more flexible, Meilisearch allows you to integrate with any embedding provider as long as it offers a public REST API. We also want to make sure Meilisearch is built to evolve with the AI landscape. With our REST embedder, you don't have to wait for us to support new models. As soon as a new model is available, you can start using it immediately. All you have to do is paste the provider URL and show Meilisearch how your provider structures its data. In the request field, you need to define the structure of the input it will send to the provider. This will vary depending on the provider, but you most often will find that you need to define a model and the prompt. In the response field, you must show where Meilisearch can find the embeddings in the provider's response. This will also depend on the provider. You can enter your API key if needed. And last but not least, you can provide a document template. I will pause right here for a second because I want to highlight the document template functionality. When using AI-powered search, the document template helps organize your prompts by providing a structured template with key information. This makes it easier for the system to interpret document metadata and deliver better results. In other words, the better your prompt is, the more relevant your results will be. So let's go over some of the best practices for using the document template. First, include only highly relevant information. You likely don't need to add all of the fields of your documents. In our case, we're working with a movies database, so you only care about fields like title and overview. Other fields like ID or release date don't contain data that's relevant to the semantic search. So we'll just skip those. The second thing is to keep prompts short, ideally between 15 and 45 words. If your fields are a bit too long, you can always use the truncate feature to shorten them. So we're gonna do just that. This is because long prompts provide too much information and make it hard for the embedder to identify what's truly relevant about your document. So to summarize, you'll get the best results from the document template if you follow these best practices. 1. Avoid using the default template. 2. Include only relevant data. And 3. Truncate long fields to keep things clean and efficient. If you want even more tips, our documentation has the answers as usual. You can check out our best practices guide and the launch week page for deeper insights. Okay, that's a wrap for day 2 of our launch week. Thank you for being a part of it. We're launching on Product Hunt today, so please come check us out, give us your support there. There's still plenty of features, insights, and best practices we'll be sharing this week, so stay tuned because this is just the beginning.